Hello guys. Here we have MOSFET. These are three MOSFET. Anyway, I want you to understand and be able to identify all the types of MOSFET. Okay, so here we have a bigger MOSFET. This one, it's flat. I'm not sure if you can see. All right, there it is. This is a flat MOSFET. Okay, it's an N channel MOSFET. You can tell by the the last digit here whether it's an even number or it's an odd number. As you can see here, we have 7686, the last digit, the fourth digit. If it's an even number, then it means you have an N channel MOSFET. But if it is an odd number, then it means that you have a P channel MOSFET. Anyway, this MOSFET, it's exactly the same as this MOSFET. Check this one. All right, I know the shape is not the same, but it's one thing. Okay, see this one. All right, anyway, all these MOSFETs here are shorted. They are all shorted, meaning they are not working, they are dead. All right, let's move them aside. Here we have the smallest one, of which is an alpha and omega, and it's 7752. It's an N channel MOSFET as well. Right, so all these three MOSFETs here, they are all dead, they are all shorted. And how do I know whether they are working or not? It's easy. All right, see that the four pins on this other side, they are all connected to one. Even on this one as well, the 4 pins are all connected together. Check there, the 4th pin one side, the 4 pin are all connected together. Even here on the smaller one, let me show you the smaller MOSFET. Same thing, all these 4 pins are connected together. And then there's the trick. Let me show you how you test and how you check a working MOSFET. All right, this count here, 1 2 3, they are all connected together. This 3 is all connected together. And then this one, the 4th one, it's a gate, it's separated. All right, so it means if this one is connected with this one or with any of these, then it means this MOSFET, it's not working, it's shorted. Let me show it to you. Okay, normally you will have a dot. There is a dot. A dot means it's pin number 1. Let's count from 1 2 3. Then the 4th one is the gate. You check what? You check the dot. Let's move on. Let's check this one. Where's the dot here? There's the dot. 1 2 3 4. The 4th pin is the gate. All this these 3 pins, 1 2 3, they're all connected together. And this side, the 4 of them, they're all connected together. Same thing with the smaller one. Now let me put the smaller one. Where's the dot? There's the dot there. 1 2 3, they're all connected together, and the 4th one is the gate. And then all this side, these 4 pins here, they are all connected together. All right, so normally what you do is you take your multimeter and you turn it into a continuity mode. Then you check from this side to this other side and see if there is a continuity from here to here. If there is a continuity from here to here, then we have a shorted MOSFET. Or unless if it's been triggered, you can turn the MOSFET on and off by touching the gate and the 3 pins there. Normally it will trigger and allow power to pass, and then when you touch again, it's gonna trigger and be an open circuit. Okay. I hope you are learning. Anyway, let me make this easy and short. Okay, here we have the schematic, right? From the schematic, I'm gonna show you a sign of a MOSFET. Let me show you a sign of a MOSFET so that you will understand a MOSFET. I want a simple MOSFET, a simple sign. I don't want to confuse you. Okay, there it is. This is a MOSFET, and it's an N-channel MOSFET. You can tell by a look. Okay, what do we see here? We can see that the 3 pins 1, 2, 3, they are all connected together, right? As I told you. And the 4th one, pin number 4, is the gate, is separated from the 3 pins. And then here on the other side, we have 4 connected pins, as I told you. And again, there's something fun here. Here we have a diode within the MOSFET. There's a diode here. Okay, what does this mean? It means you know how to check for a diode, right? Let's go back. Okay, guys, this means since we have a diode there, it means when you take your multimeter and then change it into a diode mode, it means when you put the probe on this side and the other side, you will get a reading, but when you reverse the probe, you shouldn't get any reading. And it's true, guys. I've seen this, I've done it several times. That's how I check the MOSFET. Okay, you take your meter, you turn it into a diode mode, and then you touch this side, and then this side you will get a reading. And when you reverse the probe, you shouldn't get any reading at all. That's how you check a diode, because they only allow power to move from one side to another side. They only allow power to move from one direction. All right, what else? Yeah, that's all. This is a MOSFET. Okay, one more thing. You can Google this number online, go online and then type this number. This AO, it means it's Alpha and Omega. It's the company, it's the manufacturer that does these MOSFETs. And I told you, by checking the last digit, you'll be able to tell whether you have a P or an N channel MOSFET. And in this case, again, you can check the sign. See the sign, the error, it's pointing outside, then it means it's an N channel MOSFET. All right, okay. Anyway, this is it. I don't want to confuse you. We are done here.